So guys, today I am going to make a pita bread with stuffed meat. So guys, I will show you step by step how we prepare pita bread, and so I will show you all the preparation in this video. Come watch me. So guys, all the ingredients is here. I will show you one by one. First, flour. 2 kg 400 gram of flour, 30 gram of yeast, 36 gram of salt, 40 gram of sugar, 300 gram of sunflower oil, and 1 liter of water. I will mix all the ingredients and I will show you. So guys, I will mix this dough about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, guys, dough mix हो गया, आप देख सकते हैं dough mix होने के बाद. So guys, we start to make a ball, and one ball around 70 gram. तो ये बॉल्स है, बॉल्स को मैं ऑलमोस्ट 15 मिनट रेस्ट पे रखूंगा. 15 मिनट रेस्ट में रखने के बाद फिर इसको मैं रोल आउट करूंगा. रोल करने के बाद इसको हम ओवन में बेक करेंगे. ओवन में बेक करने के बाद वी स्टार्ट टू मेक. गाइस, आफ्टर 15 मिनट ऑफ रेस्ट दिस बॉल्स आई विल स्टार्ट टू रोल. So guys, I will cook this pita bread in the oven about 2 minutes, and 300 degree temperature will be. So guys, you see the bread is cooked, and no need too much cook, because we need to stuff and then we need to cook again. So I will show you how to stuff meat inside. Before stuff, we need to prepare meat also. I am going to marinate meat. I will show you how I mix. So guys, I take some minced meat, and I will add some chopped onion, and I will put some chopped chili, some chopped parsley, I will add some cumin powder, and I will add some salt and pepper. Now I will mix. I will start to stuff pita bread with meat. And I will close like this very nicely. I have about 50 pieces of bread. I will stuff all, and all I will stuff the same. Put some little bit oil in the grill, and one by one I will cook about 5 minutes in the grill, and both sides. You can see the color of bread. So guys, the bread is cooked, and I'm going to cut 1 by 2. here is our pita stuffed meat.